Loaded up the Toyota here. We're going down to weigh these cattle, the weaners. Hopefully don't have to feed them, bales. Sunrise. There's the weighing scales. It's Kate.
Morning.
Her weighing receiver. We're going to weigh them in this. All the little weaners.
We're in the home yard at Railview and we're setting up, this is the TSI. The system will attach to this and they'll be able to scan all the weaners' ear tags, and when they weigh them it will come up on the computer. So this is the computer system. It's going to show us the weight here. For these ones here, if they're under 180, we're putting them in this yard, over in that yard, and they'll probably be sold. Ready to go. Virgil is getting on the scales. There he goes. Let's see, what is he? 80. Getting heavier, Virgil. Getting heavier.
Got one under the limit.
So here we go. It gives us the stats. So we have our count of animals. We've got 23 sharp-raised steers in. The minimum weight 168, maximum, and the average. So it's really useful just to get an idea.
Kate's contemplating taking the light ones home.
Well, I like the golden one. I like this golden one here.
Don't know if you can see it. It's very far. It's a wide angle lens, but
lovely golden colour.
some boy. Convoy heading home. Oh, like our work done. Never going back to these yards, thankfully. I'm taking the quad. Kate's got a bike with a Toyota with two motorbikes. Lunchtime now. I beat everyone back home. I went cross country. Probably went a lot faster than I should have. Never drove the quad before though, properly, so it's all part of it. In another yard drafting.